Hello everyone, my name is Abhagiran Pandey and I am going to talk on the topic how to calculate the dot product of two vectors using RISC and CISC style. So let's take an example where let A and B be two vectors of length n and their dot product is defined as dot product equals to summation from I equals to 0 to n minus 1 A of I into B of I. So first comes the RISC style, where we move R2, where R2 is a point to vector A and store it in ABEC. Similarly, we move R3, where R3 is a point to vector B and we store it in BBEC. Then we load R4, n, where R4 serves as a counter. Then we clear R5, where R5 accumulates the dot product. Then we load R6, R2 to get the next element of vector A. Similarly, we get the next element of vector V using R4, R3. Then we multiply R8, R6, R7 to compute the product of the next pair, and then we add R5, R5, R8 to the previous sum. Then similarly we add R2, R2, which is the increment pointer to vector A, and R3, R3, which is the increment pointer to vector V. Then we subtract R4, R4, which decrement the counter, and if program is not done, then we will loop again. Otherwise, we store R5 in the product memory. Similarly, the CISC style, where we move R2, which is R2 is a point to vector A and we store it in ABEC, and we store R3, which is a point to vector B in BBEC. Then we move R4, n, where R4 serves as a counter, and we clear R5, where R5 accumulates the dot product. Then we move and multiply R6, R2 plus R6, R3, which computes the product of the next component. Then we add R5, R6 to the previous sum. Then we subtract R4, which decrement the counter, and if the program is not done yet, we have to loop it again. Otherwise, we can store the dot product in the memory. Similarly, this is the working what I said from these two RISC and CISC style, and I mentioned how they work in this working. And now comes the conclusion where RISC and CISC are two different styles of instruction set, and the vector dot product, searching string, and many other things can easily be done by using RISC and CISC style method. I will provide the link of my YouTube and LinkedIn where I will upload, and thank you.